Hey y'all, let's get ready to griddle. Tonight we have these meaty things. They're actually country ribs. I love country ribs. I love any kind of ribs. And taters. We're gonna try some mashed taters. Uh, they've been microwaved, so they're ready to go. The meat I've covered with my seasoning, my custom seasoning. And I added a little paprika because smoked paprika, really like smoked paprika too. How about you, boys and girls? I knew that you could. You okay, Baja? So, that made a mess. And mashed taters. Let's give the meat a little bit of avocado oil. What do you say? We'll give the taters a little bit of olive or veggie oil to get started. Just to get started. And we'll spread it around. Spread it around. Okay. Tater. The taters are speaking. I'm going to try the taters just like I do my smash burger, almost. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah! Yay! It worked. Pretty much. Ah! I think I may have smushed that first one just a little too much. But that's okay. I won't tell if you don't. So now we got a potato-y spatula, and I've really got to clean my cast iron smusher now. We don't like food debris on our debris on our smusher. We don't like any kind of debris on our smusher, except a little bit of veggie oil, just to keep it from rusting. Okay. And let's add a little bit of seasoned salt, if that's okay with you. Paprika, because we're in a paprika mood today. Sometimes you just need your paprika. My paprika. My paprika. Okay, let's get rid of that. Move this here. Dollar store. And best investment ever. And tennis balls, because my co-host Baja likes to roll them in weird places. People stop, they're like workers stop by, she'll stick a tennis ball in their lunchbox or their toolbox, inside their vehicle. No telling how many people have taken home tennis balls without knowing it. So we're just moving around the meat, keeping it from burning. Getting a good sear. Taters could probably use some extra sear. Okay, and when I flip them over, I made a new batch of my secret sauce. It's this time granulated sea salt, granulated black pepper, granulated or coarse ground sea salt, coarse ground black pepper, granulated garlic. I added a little bit of granulated onion, some smoked paprika, and some Mrs. Dash. And I probably added other things. I don't know. I don't pay attention to what I'm doing. Speaking of which, got a little bit of Badia seasoning, which is an awfully lot like Mrs. Dash, or adobo seasoning, or whatever else. Meat's coming along as best I can tell. We're losing sunlight, but isn't it pretty? Yes, it's pretty. You know it is. Right, Baja? Flip, flop, flop, flip. So, go over that way. Uh-oh. Flop, flip. I'll be using my handy dandy meat thermometer to make sure I don't give anyone botulism. That'll turn out pretty cool, I think. So let's add a little bit of ghee, potatoes, right? Butter, potatoes, absolutely. And a little bit of my secret sauce. Just a little bit, because I added all the other seasonings on the other side. You don't want to overdo it. But you can't overdo chives on potatoes. Just can't do it. It's impossible. Taters love chives almost as much as they love butter. Almost. Okay. May have to get out a spotlight or something to make sure I can see everything good. Doesn't that look yummy? Yes, it does. Flip it slid. Everything's coming along nicely. I could have turned it up a little bit, but I want everything to come out kind of at the right time, same time. Same bat channel, same bat time. We're getting closer. Couple of pieces are really close. Of meat, that is. Couple of them are gonna need some extra time. Time is on my side. Yes, it is. I don't think I have any time. Got rosemary, got sage, but no time. Got no time. I got no time. So